Hello everyone, today I will unbox the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's see what's inside the box. Box. Just carrying back some menu, some sticker, that is the casing. Buy online or buy in shop. This is the online and shop that stock. Nice bag, nice feeling. I think it's very rubber and feel like leather. Okay, the camera is inside the bag. Light, brand new. What else is inside the bag? You can get the standard version, which you won't get battery pack, the mic. You get the breaker cable, you get the mic, and all the tripod, etc. All the accessories. You can refer to the website for more. Surprisingly, this bag can fit everything. Cable, mic. So let's try. Main thing. Here's the power on. So, touch screen. Activate before you scan QR code, download, start, press 1 to record, okay, joystick, rotate screen, storage, already bought the SD card from the shop as well. Okay, can even rotate, check battery level, continue, Alright, there you go. So I will use it and I will let you guys know how is it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.